Hi, I'm Kazoo with Shearman Builders. We're going to show you how to reduce the risk of wildfire ignition to your home. Today we're installing fire-resistant vents to prevent ember entry. During a wildfire event, embers travel miles ahead of the main fire and can easily enter homes through open windows or garage doors. They often enter through vents with large gauge screens. Once inside, these embers can ignite the whole home. We're going to install these vents, which have a fine aperture less than 1/8 of an inch, to prevent ember entry. So let's begin. Step 1, remove the vent. Step 2, measure and cut. And now we're ready to install. Step 3, install your vent. So this is a basic installation of fine mesh over a vent for a garage door. As you know, every house has its unique character, and different surfaces require different treatments. For more information about installs, go to firesafemarin.org.